Okay, so we'll go for topic 10 is neutralization. So for neutralizations, if you what to treat what sting, right? You need vinegar because what sting is alkaline poisons. So you need vinegar, which is acidic, to neutralize it. Then for the bee stings that is an acidic poison, so you can use any baking powder, toothpaste also possible because toothpaste also is a base that can neutralize the acid. So in the toothpaste, right, also has alkaline that neutralize the acid because in the tooth, right, they will be growing bacteria that produce a lot of lactic acid. So the toothpaste, it has the base to neutralize the acid. So this is the experiment. Okay, just in case they're coming out the describe experiment, how to conduct the experiment for neutralization titration. So this is the first thing. Fill up the burette with sulfuric acid. Then climb it on record stands. Then record the initial temperature. Then add the sodium hydroxide 25 cm³ into here. Then add the phenolphthalein inside. So phenolphthalein is to know that neutralization has occurred, that the pink color will turn colorless. Then add the sulfuric acid slowly. Swirl the flux gently. Then titration will be stopped when pink solution turns colorless. Record the final reading. So from there, you do the calculation to find out what is the concentration of the acid or the alkaline. So I'll give you one example of the questions. This question is sodium hydroxide titrate with alkaline acid, HCl. So write the chemical equation, balance equation, NaOH, so hydroxide plus HCl become NaCl plus H2O. Then name the glassware that can use the accurate transfer 25 pipette. Color change, this is a phenolphthalein. Then should be pink to colorless. Calculate the number of moles on the side. So based on here, that this is your V, then 0.2 mole per dk is your M. You can use number of mole equals to MV over 1000. Okay, so 0.2 to 25 and 1000, you get 0.05 molar. So from the equation, 1 mole of NaOH will react 1 mole of HCl. So 1 mole of NaOH will react 1 mole HCl. So 0.005 mole NaOH will react 0.05 mole of HCl. Then to calculate the molarity, so number of mole equals to NV of 1000. So the number of mole is 0.005. And then the volume to neutralize is given here, 20.50 cm³ of the hydrochloric acid will neutralize the alkaline. Then you can mention here 20.50 here. Then this one bring over here. So the molarity equals to 0.244. Okay, then if you repeat it with sulfuric acid to replace HCl, so predict the volume. So original use 20.5 cm³. Now, if change the H2SO4 because it's diprotic acid, it will become half. So reason you explain them. Sulfuric acid is strong acid which ionizes in water to produce 2 mole of hydrogen ion. Nitric acid is monoprotic acid that produce 1 mole of hydrogen ion. So the volume of sulfuric acid needed will be half only. So remember in SPM, they always ask you about replacing another one acid with another acid. So hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid. So sulfuric acid, they're able to produce 2H plus. So the volume needed will be only half. Let's say this is 20.50. This one only need half, 10.25 cm³ is enough for the reaction to occur. So explain here, sulfuric acid is a strong diprotic acid which ionizes completely in water to produce 2 mole of hydrogen ion. Then hydrochloric acid is a strong monoprotic acid to produce ionized in water to produce 1 mole of hydrogen ion. So the volume of sulfuric acid needed is only half of the hydrochloric acid. So for the calculation, there's another formula that you can use. This is what MAVA over MBBB equals to A over B. So how to know what is A over B will depends on the equation. So for the equation here, the acid, A stands for acid. B stands for base. Base means alkaline. So for this question, the acid will be HCl. The alkaline will be NaOH. So the ratio between this one and this one, so the A will equals to 1, B will equals to 1. So 1 to 1. Okay, the ratio is 1 to 1. Then after that, for the volume, VA is volume of acid. So volume of acid for the neutralization occur is VA here. Then this is volume of base. This is molarity of base. So based on this one, you can substitute the 20, 25, 0.2. Then you're able to find out that your MA is equal to 0.244 mole per DMQ. Then move on to the question here. So for this reaction is between sulfuric acid and sodium hydroxide. So sulfuric acid is H2SO4. Sodium hydroxide is NaOH. So the reaction occur is neutralization. The salt produced, write the chemical equation, H2SO4 plus sodium hydroxide. So Na with SO4. H and O will become H2O. Balance equation, put 2 here. Then what is the salt produced will be the sodium sulfate. What's the function of phenolphthalein to know what is the endpoint? What is the endpoint? The endpoint means the last drop in, then neutralization occur. The color change will be tint to colorless. So you need to add slowly, drop by drop, to get a very accurate results. So to do the calculation, we use this formula. So the A will be acid will equals to 1, B base will equals to 2. Okay, so A equals to 1, B equals to 2. Then the volume of acid is given here. So the VA will equals to 10. Okay, 10. We need to find the M. Double check. MA is given here. Molarity of acid is 0.2. So we put in here 0.2. Divide by MB. We need to find the concentration of alkaline. Then volume of alkaline, we check here 25 cm3. So we put 25 cm3 here. Okay, so now you put in all the number, you can start to find your MB. So we get MB equals to 0.16. Okay, then after that, now they replace the sulfuric acid with ethanoic acid. So sulfuric acid is a diprotic acid. Ethanoic acid is a monoprotic acid. So, okay, write down chemical equation first. Ethanoic acid plus sodium hydroxide. Okay, this is negative plus, this one plus minus. So Na with this one together. So CH3, COO, Na plus HNOH become H2O. So the volume needed will be double. So just now you need 10 cm3. So now change to 20 because from diprotic change to monoprotic, you need double, more volume is needed.